A warm welcome to Ms. Yukti Belwal, Director of Bookmy University. She has visited 15 plus countries to review the facilities and infrastructure of the university, and the latest country in this series was Timor-Leste.
Hi everyone, thank you so much. See, passion can move mountains, you know. It's one of the things that has motivated a lot of people to do something unbelievable. Something unbelievable has happened when Dr. Raja almost became Columbus for the students and discovered a new MBBS abroad destination, which is Timor-Leste. Thank you so much. I went there, I had a beautiful experience in Timor-Leste. The route is so easy, so beautiful. You have a small halt at Bali, Indonesia. You know, Bali is a destination where people go for as tourists. So even a halt is so beautiful there. And when you actually land at the Timor-Dili airport, amazing view. He was asking me to come and I was like, oh my God, I was looking at the mountains, such a beautiful airport. I enjoyed everything, whatever was there. And it's like दिल्ली से दिल्ली तक, you know, जो सफ़र आपका दिल्ली से दिल्ली तक होगा वो बहुत ही अच्छा होने वाला है. बहुत इन्जॉय करेंगे आप. 7 घंटे तक बाली पहुंचने में लगेगा, वो भी बहुत आराम से आप पहुंचेंगे. फिर बाली से आपको 1 घंटा 50 मिनट में आप दिल्ली पहुंच जाएंगे. ठीक है. एंड व्हेन आई विजिटेड दिल्ली, बीइंग द वन ऑफ द पर्सन फ्रॉम इंडिया, व्हेन द श्रीमती द्रौपदी मुर्मू वाज देयर. And before you are going, Srimati Draupadi Murmu already has given a heads up to you guys. All the best for you guys, you know, by being there and starting the ties, you know, with the Timor-Leste by ensuring that there will be a embassy, Indian embassy there. Because, you know, so many students go to such countries where the Indian embassy is still not there. But you are so sure about this that, you know, there is a destination here in India also. There will be Timor-Leste embassy and there will be a Indian embassy in Dili, Timor-Leste. Being a trustable face for MBBS abroad, I know you guys have taken seriously my advices and made, you know, you always check whether Yukti ma'am is saying yes for Timor-Leste, what is she saying, how is her experience, she has went there, how she's feeling. Ma'am, is there hostel or not? You tell me. I only trust you. So I understand, and that is the reason when Dr. Raja, who is a very good friend of mine for past many years, when he said, okay, this is gonna happen, so I was like, yes, I will be there for both the things, for my own thing also and for students also who wants to make sure that wherever they are going at the right place. I would want to assure you that Dr. Raja has defined the paths of future medical education in Timor-Leste very well with whole passion. That's why I said passion. Passion is important. Dr. Raja is very passionate about this education thing, and whatever he has defined is, if these things gonna go this way, then Timor-Leste is gonna be the golden destination for MBBS abroad in future. Okay, and you will be the pioneers for that. Love of Bollywood in Timor will always make you their favorites. You know, when you're gonna say I'm from India, they will not say anything. They will just say Shah Rukh Khan and kuch kuch hota hai and this and that. And if by any chance you look like Kajol or Shah Rukh Khan, you will be their favorites, you know. They will be like, okay, come and take picture because you're from India. So you're going to be famous there. Kudos to Dr. Raja, who is leading this vegan, and thank you Dr. Francisco Fernandez, who is so humble that I can feel the warmth that all the students going to get in Timor-Leste. You can see how humble and kind he is, and you can actually see the glimpse of Timor-Leste people through him, through his eyes, through his warmth. He's such a nice person. I'm meeting him 3 days, you know, or every day I'm meeting him. So he's very nice, and of course there also in Timor-Leste I found people who were very kind, very humble, and the way they talk, the way they convey their expressions, you know, you will never feel that, oh, where are you? People are rude there. You know, when we go abroad, sometimes we meet people who are not so good. They are rude. Oh, Indians, whatever. But here you will not find this. Here you will find humbleness, kindness, hospitality. And I think whenever we want to go anywhere, we want this. We want humble people, we want kind people, and vice versa. And you have to be humble and kind to them as well. Thank you so much to the prestigious guests, Dr. Raja Rajshekhar, Mr. Praveen Gajera, Mr. Ravi Kaul, who are the leading people in the education industry of MBBS abroad and India as well. all the parents present here, all the students, welcome you all for this journey of Timor-Leste, and I welcome you all to Timor-Leste journey of MBBS abroad. Thank you so much and all the best.